Dear students, hope you are well. I am also fine. Today I am Mr. HOSSAIN, assistant teacher in English at PLSC School and College BOGURA with the students of class 10. Today's class will be held on English second paper, and our today's topic preposition. Though this item is not directly set in a question paper, but this item is needed to fill in the blanks. So you have to master the uses of preposition. That means if you are able to use the prepositions correctly in the fill in the gaps, then it will be helpful for you to fill the gaps. So today we are going to learn about prepositions, and you know that there are various types of preposition, but we will discuss today some kinds of preposition, that is simple preposition and double preposition and appropriate preposition, and these three kinds of prepositions are basically needed for you. And simple preposition means the in, at, of, under, which is only a single preposition, single word. But double preposition, complex preposition, that means the in association with, in lieu of, with a view to, and such like that. So today we are going to learn some uses of some prepositions. Okay, let's get started. And first, we will learn what is preposition. Preposition. Preposition is a word or a group of words, group of words with usually comes before a noun or anything equivalent to noun, and shows its relationship with another word in the sentence. So look at the board carefully, that the definition of the preposition, or what is preposition. A preposition is a word or a group of words which usually comes before noun, or it may also come usually before the anything equivalent to noun, and the shows, and a preposition also shows the relationship with another word in the sentences. And in brief, or in a single sentence, we can say that the preposition is a related or relating word. That means the words which relates its relationship with another word in the sentence. And we already said that there are various kinds of preposition, simple preposition, complex preposition, and sometimes appropriate prepositions is also very important. So now let's have a couple of examples. And some prepositions are at, in, of, for, from. These all these words are simple preposition, but now I would like to write down some complex preposition. In, accordance with, or according to, or by means of, and such like that, because there are a lot of both simple prepositions and both complex prepositions. Okay, and this is the definition and clear view of the preposition. And preposition, we already know that which shows the relationship with the another word in the sentence. Now we are going to learn some use of some important preposition. Look at the board. Use of some important prepositions. Use of some important preposition. Now, at the very beginning, I would like to introduce you a very familiar preposition, and that is at. And when we write down or when we write any kinds of composition or paragraph, or when we speak to somebody else, then this prepositions comes frequently. At, or when to use at. This is a very common preposition, and today we are going to learn the uses of the preposition at, or when to use at. Number 1, to mean a particular small place. That means it usually comes before any small place. Example: he is sitting at the corner, and we know that the corner, this is the very small place, and it's a particular place, so the preposition at is here before the noun. Another example: he got his degree at School of Business. Sometimes we use the preposition at before any educational institutions. The another use of at to mean the exact point of time, the right point of time. That means he came here at 9 o'clock. This is the exact time. That means 9 o'clock. So this is the major uses of the preposition at. Now I am going to switch to the another prepositions. In. This is another important preposition. In is used to mean a big place, country, continent, or city. Let's have an example. In is used to mean a big place, country, continent, or in the to mean the name of the big cities. She lives in India. So we can see that the in is used before a big place or the name of a country, continent. So India is the name of a country. Here the in is used before the word, before the country India. So in the another use of in is before months, years, months, years, season, or the parts of the day. Parts of the day. Let's have a couple of examples. That means she passed SSC exam in 1997. So this is the year, so in is used before year. Another month, she visited London in March. So we can see that the in is also used before months, year, season, or the parts of the day. So let's go to another preposition. And this is also a very important preposition. For. When to use for? For is used when it denotes to denote movements towards the place. For is used to denote movements towards the place. Let's have an example. She left for home. She left for home at 8 a.m. Here for is used, and this preposition is used before the place home, and it also denotes movements towards the particular place, that means the place home. Now the another use of for to mean the period of time. So this is the another use of for. Let's have an example. I have known him for 3 years. So here for is used to mean the period of time. The period is the 3 years. This is the period of time, and for is used before this period of time. So this is the use of for. Let's have another preposition. Let's learn another preposition, from. From is used to mean the from is used to mean the past and future point of time. Let's have an example. She lived here from from 1971 to 1988. So we can see that the here form is used to mean the past point of time, past and future point of time. So these are some important prepositions. So we learn the uses of these important prepositions, and this is the part one of preposition. And in the next class, we will learn some more prepositions and the uses of some more prepositions. So I think this you will be benefited from today's class and learn these uses of the prepositions, then practice it, and you will develop your uses of your prepositions, and you will learn to use prepositions correctly. So thank you all. See you again in the next class. Thank you.